Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today guys, I have an unboxing from Target, as you can see, and it is a Valentine Day theme. If you guys keep up with my channel, you saw that I made a post about some super cute wristlets that I found on Target and some charms, and I got some right here guys, because when I post something, it's most likely because I got it myself too, you know. I'm not just trying to sell you guys stuff. So yeah guys, this was like so delayed. I literally just got it, and guys, I've been waiting to unbox this forever, so let's get to it. I'm super excited. I will also have the items linked down below in the description, so you guys can go check it out if you are interested guys, because these are so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Let's open them. Okay, so first is the wristlets guys. These are so adorable. Oh my gosh, just wait so you can see how cute they are. Okay, so there was 4 different ones. Okay, so I got one of each. I'm so excited. Oh my god, these are so cute. And I had to like kind of stalk the website because they were like not in stock. Okay, but I believe now they are like in stock, you know, and it's a perfect time to get them because Valentine's is until next month, so you can be wearing them until next month. I wanted to use them as charms guys. So first one I got is this one. They are $15 each. Okay, so let's open it. These are little conversation hearts. Okay, they are so cute. Oh my god, can't wait to see them. First impression in person. So this one says, "Hey cutie." Oh my god, this is so cute. This is like a creamy color. Okay, it's not like fully white. It has nothing in the back. Like I said, it's a little wristlet. I want to wear it as a charm, you know, hanging off the bag like that. I like that it does open up right here, so I'm gonna be easily able to add it to a bag. Let me see. It opens all the way to the side and it opens up like this. How cute! Oh my god, look, it's shaped like a heart. A new day. So it's Target brand guys. It opens up so easily. Look at that, smooth. This is just too cute guys. So this is the first one. It says, "Hey cutie." Next I have a purple one. Let me see, kind of forgot what these say. Like I said, I've been waiting for them I don't know how long. Damn, shipping was so delayed. Again, this one says, "You are hot." That's funny. Guys, I was a little debating this one. I don't know if I want to walk around with the wristlet that says "You are hot," but anyways, I was like, I just need to see them all in person. You are hot. Okay. It also has a little strap right here. Nothing in the back. Opens up. Oh, I like that the inside is purple too. How cute. You are hot. Guys, I have to admit, I'm not a fan of conversation hearts, like the candy, the actual candy. Not a fan guys, but I am a fan of these little wristlets. They are too cute. Let me put these together. Get that trash out of the way. So I got 2 so far. Next one. This is a green one. Let's see what it says. Oh, text me. Text me. Surprised it doesn't say call me. Text, I guess. Oh, this is trash. Text me. This is a light green. It has a little strap, zipper. It's so cute. So cute. And the last one, guys, this is my favorite. Okay, the pink one. This is the one I really wanted. My favorite out of all four. This one says love ya. Oh my god, this is too cute. And it's pink, guys. Too cute. It has a strap, zipper, pink. I like that the interior matches the actual color of the heart. So cute. This is my favorite one. So we got love ya, text me. Oh, it's trash. Hey cutie. Oh my god. And you're hot. These are so cute. Oh my god. Hold on, I'm trying to hold them all at the same time so you guys can see. How cute are these? I think this is gonna be my thumbnail. These are so adorable. I love them. So I got these, one of each. And like I said, I will have the links down below so you guys can go check it out if you guys are interested. I believe last time I checked, they are still in stock. They are so cute. Oh my god, imagine all of these on one bag at one time. I would die. They are so cute. Let me clean up this mess real quick. Here's my next package. Okay. Oh my gosh, guys. So I got these for my daughter, actually. I forgot about this. Guys, I've been waiting for this forever. Oh my god. Okay, so these are glasses that I got my daughter. They're little heart shaped. How cute are these? Oh no, does it have a scratch? You know what? That's actually okay because I want to bling them. I want to bling these for her. I think they would look super cute. She loves wearing glasses, and how cute would these be all blinged out for her, right? These were $7. $7 for these little cutie ones. These are for kids, guys. I did see some for adults that I was kind of hesitating to get myself, but I'm like, am I really gonna wear those? I don't know. They're cute though, so yeah, I got her these. So I'm gonna bling these for a video on my other channel. So yeah, I'm gonna bling these on my other channel, Chicana Bling. Go check it out, guys. Stay tuned. Oh my god, guys, this is, I think, what I'm most excited about is this, guys. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this charm. Do you remember when I made this post? How cute is this charm, guys? Look, it has a little conversation hearts on it. When I saw this on the website, I was like, oh my god, I need that. I need this charm. Look how cute it is. It says call me. This is too cute. And the hearts feel kind of matte like the real candies. That's so funny. Forever, kiss me, call me, love ya. I love the little wristlet that says love ya and you're hot. This is so cute. Oh my god, it has little hearts. Let me give you guys an up close. Look at that. So this is Target brand. How cute. Oh my gosh, guys. This one was $10, okay? Oh my god, this is too cute. Too cute. I love it. I need to put this on the bag, guys. Let me choose a bag. I don't know what bag. Probably my Speedy because that's the one I put everything on. Oh my god, this is too cute. Hold on, let me choose a bag. Okay, so I chose my denim Speedy, guys. Yes, this one. The one that came out last year around this time, right? If I'm right. Guys, oh my god. Okay, hold on. Let me cut this off real quick. I mean, technically, I could just take it off like that, right? My rusted old scissors. It has more stuff. Hold on. Okay, I finally got the charm out of that freaking thing. So, guys, look. How cute is this? Oh my gosh, guys. Let me just add it onto the bag. I'm going to put it on the outer side. I'll put it behind. There you go. How cute. Oh my gosh. Definitely give me those Valentine vibes. This is too adorable, guys. Too adorable. The little conversation hearts. And then I'm going to add my little wristlet as a charm. Let me see. Let me see how this is going to work. Like this. Boom. You can say love ya, and it's just gonna hang off like that. And then maybe add something else here. I got like all my little Valentine charms over there. Hold on. Okay, so I got my 𝓵𝓵𝓷𝓽. I just bedazzled. Look at this. It's definitely giving me those Valentine vibes, even though it's silver hardware and it's going on the gold. It's okay, guys. It's okay. Put it like that. Boom. Valentine's or what? I mean, I still think I could use a little bit more, but I just wanted to show you guys how it looks on the bag, you know? If you want to add as a charm, when you add the charm to the bag. Look at this. I showed you guys how to bling this little 𝓵𝓵𝓷𝓽 on my other channel, Chicana Bling. But yeah, okay, you know what? I'm actually going to take it off because I just want to show you guys how the charms that I actually bought look on a bag. So yeah, guys. How cute is this? Oh my god, these are so adorable. I'm so happy they finally came in. Oh my gosh. And like I said, I think they're still in stock, so I'll put the links down below if you guys want to check them out. These are so adorable. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about these super cute charms. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me for a bit. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you have not. If you already did, thank you so much. So guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.